Hey guys, all right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today we're gonna make delicious food. But don't be afraid guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, today I have a guest, all right? And I'm sure you have been seeing her, all right? She'll be here. And today we're gonna make the shrimp boil. Very good, guys. It's gonna taste delicious. Look my table, how beautiful it looks and colorful. All right, your table can be beautiful and colorful. All right. Hey guys, I welcome Patty Young.
Hi everybody. Today we're gonna make a shrimp boil, easy barbecue. Especially with the holiday coming up for Labor Day. It's a quick meal. You can throw on the barbecue and impress all your guests.
Very good. All right.
So the ingredients that we're gonna need are, you're gonna need 1 ear of corn per packet, broken in half, about 4 or 5 red potatoes quartered, 1 andouille sausage per packet, and about 8 to 10 shrimp per packet, depending how hungry you are.
Very good.
Need about a tablespoon of olive oil, about a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning
For each package.
for each packet.
Very good.
A teaspoon of pepper per packet, about a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of butter per packet.
All right, guys. Would you like to cook with us? All right, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good, guys. Patty.
All right,
Let's
so
start
we're
this.
gonna start by putting in, we'll put the potatoes in, about 4 or 5 potatoes quartered. Put that
Looking
in
good.
the center of a piece of large aluminum foil, depending how hungry you are.
Beautiful.
Pre-slice the sausage, so about 3 pieces, which is about 1 sausage.
Looking good.
About 2, 3, about 6 to 8 shrimp.
Very good.
I'm gonna put 2 pieces of corn that we broke in half. in
All
each
right.
packet.
It's looking good.
I'm gonna drizzle it with some olive oil.
Very good.
Just sprinkle a little pepper.
You can do it with your hands. That's not a problem.
And a little bit of salt.
Very good. All right.
Got a teaspoon of minced garlic.
All right.
Tablespoon or so of Old Bay, or to taste. If you like it a little bit more spicy, you could add some more.
Very good.
Sprinkle that.
All right.
Throw on a tablespoon of butter on top.
All right.
Slice of lemon. And that's
Very
it.
good. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe, all right? Please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. I'll be right here. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, Eddie.
All right, so now we're going to wrap it up. We're going to do a nice seal on the aluminum. Hold it over like this.
Very good. And both ends,
And then,
right?
and that's it.
All right, guys, we're gonna have here 5 package. That means it's for 5 people. All right, so that's 1. All right, so stay tuned because we're gonna prepare the other 4 and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, very good. Everything looks perfect. We did 4 of them, so now we're gonna do the last one. All right, Patty. Very good.
So we're going to make one more, our last one, but we're going to make this one a bit bigger because we got somebody that's really hungry tonight.
All right, very good. Hey guys, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. I can help you, Patty. Very good. Bingo! All right, guys, very good. Let's finish this. It's looking good. And I'm hungry. Very good. I think we are all hungry. Very good. And this is the lemon. All right. Very good. It's looking good.
Drizzle of olive oil.
Very good.
Butter.
And Old Bay. Very good. All right. That look. Please bring the camera together. This is gonna taste delicious. All right, guys. Let's finish this. All right. And we'll be right back. Hey, guys. You can take a look. All the 5 package. It's ready. All right. It's ready for barbecue. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. Very good. All right. All right, guys. Let's cook these babies. Let's go. Follow me. All right, guys. That's it. Patty, I let you.
Do the honors.
Yes. Let's go. Very good. Gonna cook these babies. Very good.
I'm going to put them on a nice hot grill for about 20 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes.
All right. Like looking very good. Very good. All right. We see you guys very shortly. Hey guys, all right, very good. Time to check. All right, has been cooking for about how long?
30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes. All right, time to check. Very good. All right. Very good. All right. Woo, it smells all over my backyard. All right, Patty, we're gonna let this cook for 2 more minutes. Sheesh. All right, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. Now we're gonna show you the final product. All right, very good. Here you go. It's nice and warm, or nice and hot actually. All right, and Patty, let's open this baby. All right, woo la la, very good. I can help you. All right, very good. It smells all over my kitchen. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. You can take a look one more time. Very good. It's very easy to do it. All right. Here you go, Patty. Cheers.
Cheers.